Hey everyone, lots of people have been using the new metrics catalog to get an overview of their companies. You can very quickly jump into your KPIs, but you can now represent this in a much more rich way as a metric tree. And so metric trees are a really good way to model how different metrics impact each other. And it actually frees you from some of the difficulty of data modeling. You know, there are often times where it's very hard to kind of on a technical level attribute things together that you feel empower one another. So for example, maybe investing in support, having better SLAs or tighter response times on support and success will increase retention on the product. We believe that's really true at Lightdash, but it's very hard to measure directly in the data. But metric trees allow you to do that. And so in this example, for our engineering team, I'm saying that if the team moves faster, if the time we spend on each pull request is smaller, we'll ship more code, we'll ship more changes, and we'll have fewer issues. And I can see that here inside of the canvas. And actually, some of the best data teams that we've worked with are already building these metric trees to understand what their business looks like. But they're doing them inside of things like Figma and Miro, which is nice for laying out the nodes, but doesn't have the data on it. Whereas inside of Lightdash, you can now see the actual values for these metrics as well as how they relate to each other. And there's a lot more features coming around this, around correlation and suggesting relationships that you might not know exist. But yeah, I really encourage, this is available to everybody now in Lightdash. I encourage you to open this canvas with your stakeholders because you can learn a lot by talking about, you know, where do we think, which metrics do we think drive the other metrics, and how can we represent these relationships that we know are really important but are very hard to encode kind of on the data level. So yeah, please, go and check it out. I'm interested to see what else people do with it.